Hello, good health lovers. You're welcome back to my channel. So today we're making this wonderful and powerful tea for weight loss, belly fat burning, and even beautiful skin. Yes, because by the time you cleanse your body from the inside, you will not only be burning fat, and you will not only be achieving flat tummy, you would also be getting brighter, like your skin will be glowing. Okay, so guys, make sure you watch to the end of the video to know how I prepared this tea that has helped me shed weight and even burn my belly fat. Okay, so this tea is so powerful. Make sure you watch to the end because I'll be telling you how to take this tea and how it works. Okay, so guys, without further ado, let's get started. All right, guys, for this recipe we'll need ginger. So you can use either fresh ginger or dried ginger. Ginger is packed with a lot of health benefits. Okay, it contains a compound called gingerol that reduces inflammation, relieve pain, and improve joint function. So ginger has this ability to help you burn fat, okay, because of the hotness in it. So ginger is very good for you, and that is number one ingredient in this weight loss tea. Okay, so yes, ginger supports weight loss because it promotes metabolism and aids in burning fat. Okay, metabolism helps you to burn fat. Okay guys, yes, so ginger is so good. Like I said, you can use either fresh ginger or dried ginger, and use good amount of ginger. Yes, make sure you're using a very good amount of ginger. Okay, so ginger also helps to reduce bloating, guys. Yes, so this is my ginger. So guys, yes, that is it. So I also should be showing you the next item we need here. Ginger also helps in blood circulation, don't forget that. Okay, so next guys, we need Aidan fruit. The Aidan fruit, some people call it prekese. Yes, so this is a picture of it, you can see it. Okay, so prekese or Aidan fruit, this is so good, guys, when it comes to burning fat. But a lot of people don't know this. Okay, this is why when women give birth in this part of the world, this fruit is one of the things that is used in preparing pepper soup for the woman. So this very one I'm holding is very dry, though I've washed it, but it's very dry. So you need to like pieces most of these things, and that's why you see me slicing my ginger. You need to pieces it, like break them or slice them, so that they can infuse very well into the water. They can, the goodness can really come out. So you don't just put it that way. So that's why you see I'm taking my time to break it into pieces. This is to actually help the process. Okay, this one is very dried, that cutting it is not so easy, but I'm just taking my time to break them out bit by bit. Okay, so Aidan fruit is very good for weight loss. It helps to cleanse the body. It aids digestion. Yes, when you eat and it is well digested, it helps to prevent fat buildup. Yes, so this very fruit, or it is actually called Aidan fruit. So this helps to, it helps digestion. It helps to clear most of the things that remain or that is building up in your body, most of the bad fat that is building up. Okay, so that is it, guys. So the next thing here is turmeric. So I have my dried turmeric here. So you can use fresh turmeric, you can use dried turmeric. So turmeric helps it helps metabolism in your body. Okay, yes, so it helps to, it has this compound that helps you to burn fat. So everything I'll be showing you here together, put together, would help flush out toxins from your body. So guys, this is clove. Okay, yeah, we also need clove for this. I have 2 spoons of clove. I also have my cinnamon stick. So one stick, sizable stick of cinnamon stick is very, very good to go in this recipe. So cinnamon helps when it comes to burning fat in the body. So all this now would be poured into a pot. So guys, I always encourage, when it comes to all these natural remedies, it is actually good to use either a stainless pot or clay pot. I know that sometimes I use ceramic, but the best cookware to use when it comes to preparing natural remedies like this is either clay pot or stainless steel pot, please, to avoid toxins and all that. Okay, so even if you don't have a stainless steel pot, you can actually use a stainless steel plate. If you have some of these plates that are stainless steel, you can use them. Okay, so you pour everything in your pot and you add water. So you have to add enough water, so because we'll be taking this for at least 1 week, that's at least 7 days. You take this, and after the 7 days you can prepare another one, but after 7 days you should start seeing positive results. Okay, so I'll go ahead and place this on fire on low heat, please. It has to be on low heat. Okay, so when you boil on low heat, it gradually, the components in all this gradually infuse into the water. So you boil on low heat and allow it to boil. Okay, so guys, here is my tea. It is now ready. It has boiled and you can see. Okay, it is now time to serve. So I'm going to actually tell you how to take this tea. So it is, you can see the cup I'm using. Okay, so this is my tea mug. Yeah, this is my tea mug, a sizable mug. So I'm just going to strain my tea into the mug. Yeah, I'm going to take a full mug of this. And like I said, I'll be telling you how to take this. So how do you take this? You take this in the morning on an empty stomach. And please take hot. That is, take it while it is hot. When you take it, you leave it in your pot. The next day you warm it. Okay, like you can warm it. This is not something you should go and keep in the refrigerator. Warm it and you take. Warm it and you take. So when you're taking it, make sure it is hot. And when I say hot, I mean the hotness that your mouth can actually tolerate. Okay, please don't go and burn your mouth. So, but it is better to take while it is hot, so that as you're taking this tea, you are sweating. Okay, yes, you are sweating. That is actually what it should be. Okay, so take it hot. That is how it works. When you take it hot, it goes in there and burn, like melts the fat in your body. And guys, do you know how fat gets out of your body? It gets out of your body through the energy you use. So when you take tea like this, it goes to metabolize your body, like melt those fats. Then you will now use them as energy in the work you do. And some of them will go out through sweat. Yeah, that is in fluid form. They go out through sweat. So will go out in your poop. You poop out some. And the major part of it that you even bring out some fat as a carbon dioxide. Guys, I know you might be hearing this for the first time. Yes, you need to know that most times when you take teas like this and they go in there to burn your fat, you might be wondering, how does this fat leave your body? It can leave your body through carbon dioxide that you exhale. Yes, that you breathe out. Okay, go out through your body through urine. Yes, fat sometimes changes into liquid and go out through urine, through sweat and all that, and you poop out some in your stool. Okay, so this is how the fat go out through your body after you have melted it using teas like this. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please give it a huge like, share with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel up to now, please hit on that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I share a beautiful video like this, you would not miss out. Okay, unless I forget, you would, like I said, keep warming it. Okay, so when the water goes down, you pour more water. Okay, so you take this for 7 days. After 7 days, you prepare a new one. So the minimum you can actually take this to see great result is like 1 month. But after 7 days of taking this, you must see positive result if you stick to the rule, which is take it hot on an empty stomach. Okay, so when the water goes down, you can add new water. You can even add new more ingredients, that's new more things like this. And again, to boost the taste, like if you're someone who doesn't like raw taste like this, you can, when I mean raw taste, I mean like a little bit bitter. It's not so bitter. You can actually add honey to it. Okay, then if you have lime or lemon, excellent, you can go ahead and add it for added advantage and even improved taste, like added taste. Okay, so that is it, guys. I hope you love this video. Please give it a huge like. Okay, give it a huge like, share to your friends. You never can tell who you might be helping. And if you have not subscribed to this channel up till now, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you miss any video. And I'd love to see you in my next video. Remain blessed, stay healthy, and keep fit. Bye-bye.